You won't believe this, but one simple product completely changed my routine: Vaseline. I first tried it just for fun, but honestly, the results shocked me. From beauty care to daily hacks, this little jar works like pure magic. So guys, are you ready to glow and make your life easier with just Vaseline? In today's video, I'm going to share 30 amazing Vaseline hacks that will truly change your life. Let's start. 1. Eyelash growth. If your lashes aren't growing or look thin, don't worry. Just dab a little Vaseline on them at night using your fingertip or a clean mascara wand. It keeps them moisturized, prevents breakage, and with regular use your lashes will look longer, thicker, and healthier, naturally and without expensive products. 2. Nails growth. If your nails are dry, weak, or just not growing, don't worry. Just massage a little Vaseline on your nails and cuticles before bed. It keeps them moisturized, prevents breakage, and with regular use your nails will grow longer, stronger, and healthier naturally. 3. For glowing skin. If your face feels dry or dull, just apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your skin at night. It locks in moisture, heals dry patches, and leaves your face soft, smooth, and glowing by morning. With regular use, your face will feel hydrated, smooth, and fresh without spending money on expensive creams. 4. DIY scrub with Vaseline. If your lips or skin feel rough and dry, this simple scrub will fix it. Just mix a little Vaseline with sugar and gently massage it on your lips or body. The sugar removes dead skin while Vaseline deeply moisturizes. Result? Soft, smooth, and glowing skin instantly without spending money on fancy scrubs. 5. Makeup remover. Struggling with stubborn mascara or eyeliner? Don't worry, Vaseline works like magic. Just take a little on a cotton pad and gently wipe your eyes. It melts away even waterproof makeup while keeping your skin soft and moisturized. No harsh chemicals, no burning, just clean, fresh skin in seconds. 6. Foot mask. If your feet are dry, rough, or have cracked heels, that's the best time to use this foot mask. Simply apply a thick layer of Vaseline, wear cotton socks, and leave it overnight. By morning, your feet will turn soft, smooth, and baby-like. 7. Vaseline shoe polish trick. Dull leather shoes making you look untidy? Just rub a little Vaseline on them with a soft cloth and watch the magic. Sparkles it restores shine, hides light scuffs, and protects the leather from drying or cracking. In minutes, your shoes look polished and brand new again. 8. Instant Brighten Magic Mask. Guys, this simple mask will shock you. Just mix half teaspoon Vaseline, a few drops of lemon juice, and 1 egg white. Apply it on your face and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. When you wash it off, you'll be amazed. Your skin feels super soft, pores look tighter, and your face instantly looks brighter and glowing like magic. 9. Baby hair tamer. Tired of those tiny baby hairs on your forehead that always ruin your look? Astonish face, just rub the tiniest bit of Vaseline between your fingers and glide it over them. Instantly, flyaways vanish and your hairstyle looks sleek and flawless like magic. 10. Eyebrow tamer. Just dab a little Vaseline on your fingertip or spoolie and gently apply it over your eyebrows. It smooths out messy hairs, sets them perfectly in place, and gives a natural glossy finish. The best part? Your brows stay neat, shaped, and on point the whole day without any expensive brow gel. 11. Use Vaseline for shiny hair. This hack will shock you. Take just a pea-sized amount of Vaseline, rub it between your palms, and lightly glide it over your hair. Instantly, dryness and dullness vanish, frizz settles down, and your strands look silky, glossy, and super shiny, like a salon finish at home. The best part? You don't even need those expensive serums anymore. 12. Shaving helper. If you ever run out of shaving cream, Vaseline can save the day. Just apply a thin layer on the area before shaving. It softens the hair, lets the razor glide smoothly, and prevents cuts, burns, or irritation. Plus, it leaves your skin soft and moisturized after shaving. 13. Protect during manicure. Before applying nail polish, coat a thin layer of Vaseline around your nails, on the surrounding skin and cuticles. This creates a protective barrier so if polish spreads outside the nail, it won't stick. Once you're done painting, simply wipe off the Vaseline and your manicure looks neat and clean, no messy smudges. 14. Tinted lip balm hack. Take a small amount of Vaseline and mix it with a little crushed eyeshadow of your favorite color. Blend well until smooth, and that's it, your tinted lip balm is ready. It keeps lips soft, moisturized, and gives them a pretty color at the same time. 15. Perfume lock. If you want your perfume to last longer, here's a powerful hack. Before spraying, apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your pulse points like wrists, behind the ears, and neck. Vaseline acts as a base that holds the fragrance and prevents it from fading quickly. Result? Your favorite scent stays fresh and noticeable for hours instead of disappearing in minutes. 16. Shiny eyeshadow trick. Take a little Vaseline and mix it with any eyeshadow color you like. Apply it gently on your eyelids with your finger or brush. This gives your eyes a glossy, shiny finish that looks trendy and unique. The best part? It also keeps the eyeshadow in place for longer and prevents it from looking dry or patchy. 17. Earring helper. If your earrings feel tight or painful to put on, Vaseline can make it super easy. Just apply a tiny bit on your earlobes or directly on the earring post. It creates a smooth slip, so the earring slides in comfortably without tugging or hurting your skin. Bonus. It also keeps the area soft and prevents irritation. 18. Soft and bright elbows. Dry, dark, or rough elbows. Confused face, just massage a small amount of Vaseline daily on your elbows. It deeply moisturizes, softens rough skin, and with regular use, helps make them look smoother and brighter. 19. Easy finger hair removal. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your fingertip areas, then gently shave. It helps the razor glide smoothly, removes tiny hairs easily, and leaves your skin soft and moisturized without cuts or irritation. 20. Dead skin remover. If your fingers feel rough or have dead skin buildup, just massage a small amount of Vaseline on them, especially around the sides and cuticles. Leave it on for a few hours, then wash with lukewarm water. It deeply moisturizes, softens dry patches, and helps loosen dead skin so it peels away easily. With regular use, your fingers stay smooth, soft, and healthy looking. 21. Ring slip hack. If your ring feels tight or gets stuck, just apply a little Vaseline around your finger and the ring. The jelly works as a smooth lubricant, helping the ring slide on or off easily without hurting your skin. 22. Magic eyebrow color hack. Take a tiny bit of Vaseline on the back of your hand or in a small container. Crush a little eyeshadow, brown or black, depending on your shade, and mix it into the Vaseline until it looks creamy. Now use an angled brush or a clean mascara wand to apply it on your brows. That's it, you've got your own DIY eyebrow pomade that tints, shapes, and holds your brows in place. 23. Magic Glow Highlighter. You won't believe this, forget pricey highlighters. Just dab a little Vaseline on your cheekbones and boom, instant glass skin glow. It catches the light perfectly, makes your skin look fresh, dewy, and naturally radiant, like magic in a jar. 24. Hair split end secret. Shocked your hair looks rough at the ends? Just a touch of Vaseline on your tips and those split ends magically disappear. It smooths, shines, and makes your hair look freshly cut without a trip to the salon. 25. Soft lips secret. You'll be surprised, why spend money on fancy lip balms when Vaseline does it better? Just one swipe and dry, chapped lips instantly feel soft, smooth, and deeply moisturized. The shine makes them look naturally glossy, and the protective layer keeps them safe from cracking even in harsh weather. A tiny dab, and your lips go from dull to wow in seconds. 26. Sunburn Soothe Hack. You won't believe it. Just apply a thin layer of Vaseline on sunburned areas like face, shoulders, arms, or legs, and it instantly calms dryness and irritation. It locks in moisture, eases the burning feel, and helps your skin recover faster, like instant comfort in a jar. 27. Cracked Lips Overnight Fix. If your lips are dry and cracked, just do this one trick before bed. Take Vaseline and coat your lips with a thick layer. While you sleep, it locks in moisture, heals tiny cuts, and softens the rough skin. By morning, the result will shock you: soft, smooth, and healthy lips, just like a lip spa treatment at home. 28. Winter Nose Relief Hack. Winter air feels fresh, but its dryness makes your nose feel sore, dry, and even burning. This simple trick fixes it instantly. Before going to bed, take a small amount of Vaseline on your fingertip and gently apply it inside your nostrils, especially along the inner sides where the skin gets the driest. Don't worry, it's safe in small amounts and works like a protective shield. While you sleep, Vaseline restores moisture, soothes irritation, and stops cracks. By morning, your nose feels soft, hydrated, and breathing is smooth again. 29. Zipper Helper. Stuck zipper ruining your jacket or bag? Just rub a little Vaseline on the teeth and it instantly loosens the jam. The zipper slides smoothly again, like brand new. 30. Under-eye hydration hack. Tired of dry, tired-looking under eyes or fine lines? Vaseline can be your secret overnight hero. Before going to bed, take a tiny amount of Vaseline on your fingertip and gently dab it under your eyes. Be careful to avoid getting it in your eyes. The Vaseline forms a protective moisture barrier that locks in hydration, so your delicate under-eye skin stays soft and plump. And that's it, guys. Who knew a tiny jar of Vaseline could do so much? From beauty fixes to life hacks, it really is a game changer. Try these hacks, share your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips. Stay glowing!